Hi, Christina.
Hello. I am graduating from my 3 weeks with Laurel, who taught me so much. I am so grateful. First week was juicing. I learned all about what to put together to juice, how to use the juicer, how to preserve, everything about it. Wonderful. Second week, completely raw food. Awesome. Learned so much. Third week, cooking some food. Anyway, now I have all kinds of wonderful recipes to use, some basics that I can elaborate or be creative, and it's just been a fabulous experience. And one thing I realized was Laurel comes to the home. She provides all the services with her vast background of knowledge. You don't have to drive anywhere, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to pay an exorbitant price. It's all coming to you. And Laurel is available afterwards for any kind of follow-up necessary. Thank you, Laurel.
What a beautiful kitchen you have, Christina. And pray tell, what is this beautiful array?
This is the fruit. I made this morning. Started off with soaking the kiwi in hemp milk, which I'm making on a regular basis.
Chia, you mean? You soaked the chia.
Chia seeds, soaked them in the hemp milk. Yes, and then I chopped up, all kinds of fruits, nuts, raisins,
flax seeds,
absolutely a necessity, and put it together, and this is my breakfast, which will probably be at least 3 or 4 times a week. The other option would be to soak oats overnight and don't have to cook them, and do the same thing with the fruit. And you can vary the fruit to whatever is in season or whatever you have to have.
Fantastico. And was this the way you ate before I arrived?
No. I was eating granola, some scrambled eggs, lots of bread. I love bread.
But now we just bought
some pasta, and so now we're eating more beans, lentils, vegetables, like roasted veggies with quinoa. I love quinoa as a substitute for rice. So those are all staples in my diet now.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
You have now graduated.
Yahoo!
With a happy smiley face and a happy countenance and body, and sans no more arthritis, because we kind of juiced it out and alkalized and created new habits.
That's one more thing. Lemon juice and water. I used to drink this green tea with a combination of black tea, and now I just drink the lemon juice with hot water in the morning, which is fabulous, and I have this beautiful green tea that I drink during the day. Lovely.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, dear friend. You have me for life. Any questions?